Have you been told that the market is too saturated and we don't need another branding photographer, or we don't need another family photographer or wedding photographer? If you have been told this, please ask the person why they'd say that, because if they are a photographer, they're probably feeling threatened. Number one. Number two, please don't listen to anyone. There are saturated markets all over the show and include people that make a lot of money and have joyous, fulfilling businesses in those industries. Just because there are a lot of PTs out there doesn't mean that you can't be a PT too. Just because there's a lot of photographers out there doesn't mean you can't do it too. All it means is that you need to work a little bit harder than those that started 10, 20 years ago. How to stop the negative self-talk around your photography business. You need to break the cycle of negative thoughts. So every time you think something negative, you need to stop it, verbally say to yourself, no, this is not what we do anymore, shake it off, and start again with a positive thought. If you've got a trigger on social media that sends you into a cycle of bad thinking or negative thinking about yourself and your photography business, unfollow them, and if you can't, mute them. Your social media is your social media. Start your day and end your day by writing out 3 to 5 positive things that happened in the day in your photography business. If we break the cycle of bad thinking, we're going to need to work on it because it's not something you can just switch on and off. Do it despite the fear. We've all been scared. But I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you if I hadn't done something that I was scared of doing. I promise you, all the other photographers that you look up to have all done the scary thing and got it done anyway and made no excuses as to the reasons why they can't. So what fears are you fighting today? If you want to, share them in the comments below because you never know, it might help another photographer.